don't put a dollar amount on you helping the grandkids, then you have to sue the grandkids. I know you don't want to do that, so you're going to have to pay her back the on sale. $3,000 instead of the $5,000. $3,000 for the plan.
Okay.
Was friends with the defendant, and he claims